How to add Bitmoji Pits on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to add Bitmoji Pits on Snapchat. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Now without any much ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your particular account. Now tap on the profile or the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. On this profile section of your Snapchat, tap on Snapchat Plus at top of the screen. Here are different kinds of features available. When you are the subscriber or on the Snapchat Plus, then only you will be able to add Bitmoji Pits on Snapchat. You have to remember this option. So here are different kinds of options like page in the chat. This will show off your page when you are present in chat. So only after you are the subscriber of Snapchat Plus, this feature will be available. So if you are the subscriber, then this feature will be at the bottom left corner is Snapchat map section, where you can easily get the feature available on this section. So you can easily add those Bitmoji Pits on Snapchat and enjoy the Snapchat feature. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.